strategy for buy side and sell side. So these were the trades which have come in the scanner. Let me quickly open the alerts for the buy side and for the sell side. So these are the strategies which we are talking about. This is one strategy for buy and one strategy for sell. So first of all, we will look at the trades which we have identified in the buying side scanner: Zydus Life, Bharti Airtel and Cummins India. So you might be remembering Cummins India and Bharti Airtel. Let's talk about Zydus Life first. So if we search Zydus Life, Zydus Life came in the scanner for the first time on 1st of January. So let's go to the chart and then check how has been the performance in Zydus Life Sciences. So Zydus Life Sciences came in the scanner for the first time on 1st of January. So this is 2024. So this is 1st of January. So if we talk about 1st of January, this was the price. So from 688 it went up to 707 rupees, and since then it has been rising after the consolidation. If you check my all videos, in most of the videos you will find this identical pattern. Okay, so first of all there would be a rise, and then there would be either a small drop or a consolidation, and after that it booms. Right, the stock which comes in the scanner, it booms. So most of the time you will see this kind of pattern: rise and maybe a fall and then moving up. Right, so this has been the trade. Let me remove the drawing. Okay, so this was the price which we have captured, from approximately 700 rupees to 752, right, in all these days. And if we talk about Bharti Airtel and Cummins India, you must be remembering Bharti Airtel, me talking about in the last few videos. Bharti Airtel. So Bharti Airtel, if we will search in super candle strategy, Bharti Airtel was identified on 15th of January the first time, right? Because if you see the pages, so you need to also look at the entire screen, what I am doing and how I am searching. Bharti Airtel. So this is Bharti Airtel, which was identified on 15th of January. Where is 15th of January? This is 15th of January's candle. So this was again a super candle made on that particular day. This was 15th of January, from here until here. So this has been the move which we have captured. Right, so what is the move? From 1100 rupees until 1195 rupees, right? So 1194 rupees. So approximately 100 rupees jump, approximately 10% if you because this is 1000 rupees stock, approximately close to 10% of jump in these days. Now if you talk about Cummins India, let's pull out Cummins India. Cummins India was identified on 22nd of December the first time. Cummins India will put on the chart, and Cummins India 22nd of December, and second time it was on 19th of December, and third time it was on 24th of December, 24th of January, which is today. 22nd of December, 19th of January and 24th of January. Right, so from 22nd of December, let's pull out what has been the rise. 22nd of December, right, 22nd of December. This was the super candle on 22nd of December, right? So this was the super candle, identical candle, and then look at this. It made a huge candle, then it fell down, but it did not break the swing low, right? And then it was a rise. Look at this. So from 2000 rupees until 2180, approximately 200 rupees jump in 2000 rupees stock, which means close to 10%, right? And because see, I cannot show all the trades. The reason is there are lots of trades which are moving here and there, right, which this was the identical candle, 16th of January. From this level and to that, the price has moved to 260 rupees. Yesterday it moved up to 266 rupees. From 236 to 266, this was the jump. This was the constant rise because it did not go down. A little small red candle, right, and after that there was a constant rally in this trade. Let me remove the drawings. Another trade I would like to bring into your notice, which was Sun Pharma. Sun Pharma was identified on 2nd of January. Sun Pharma. Look at the super candle strategy. Sun Pharma, 2nd of January. 2nd of, this was the identical candle. This was the super candle which was made on 2nd of January. After this was the rise. 2nd of January, Sun Pharma, and then again it was identified on 23rd of January, yesterday. Yesterday again it was a super candle. So whenever the stock will make super candles, which means the big candles are big bars, you can call it anyways, the green candle, the big bullish candle, or big bearish candle, whatever you want to call it. I call it a super candle. So there is a super candle which was made on that particular day. After that it was not identified here because it was a the fall was, if you will add these two candles in this particular candle, you will hardly get the strength of the stock. However, if you will add these two candles in this particular candle, you are gonna get a strength in this stock, right? So this was the move which we have captured. Okay, and another trade was Cipla. Cipla came on 10th of January. Cipla on 10th of, this was the candle. This was the super candle which was made on Cipla. Again the same thing happened, a little fall. So you can trade this scanner in multiple ways, right? You can either make the entries on the same day and then sit back and relax by putting your swing low stop loss, right? If not, then you can wait for the stock to come down at the same around the same swing low, and then you can make an entry, and then you can wait for the rise. Rise has to come, fall has to come, depending upon the kind of trade which you are taking. Whether it is a buy trade, the rise has to come. Whether it is a sell trade, the fall has to come, right? So Cipla, we have talked about Cipla. Cipla has given us a good profit from 1327 until 1426, approximately 100 rupees jump for 1000 rupees stock, close to 8 to 10%, close to 8% I would say, right? And if you will count from 1279, then is a way high. So these were the trades for the buying side. There are so many trades in the buying side which you can check. I have already shown you the alerts, right? So these are the alerts. It is my habit to show all the alerts because you should be able to check the accuracy of the strategy, accuracy of the scanner by yourself, right? Instead of asking me what is the accuracy, you need to find out how the performance has been for the stocks which are being identified in the scanner. How many stocks are performing today, how many stocks are performing after 5 days, 10 days, 15 days, right? So these are the trades. I have opened it until 4th of January. You can go to the chart and check. Now let's talk about the sell side scanner. In sell side, these were the trades which were identified by scanner. Most of them are the previous trades which you might have been observing, like Oboy Reality. If we talk about Oboy Reality, Oboy Reality came in the scanner the first time when Oboy Reality on 23rd of January. This was the day when the first time, because there is no another window after that. So 23rd of January, which was yesterday. So let's pull out Oboy Reality and let's remove this drawing first. Oboy Reality. Oboy Reality on 23rd the stocks for the sell side, you can pause the video, you can go to the chart and check. We'll be talking about little more trades like IDFC First Bank. The second one was IDFC First Bank. So let's pull up the chart. IDFC First Bank. IDFC First Bank. So when was it identified, IDFC First Bank? IDFC First. So IDFC First Bank was identified on 2nd of January, the first time, right? 2nd of January. This is IDFC First Bank's daily chart, 2nd of January. This was the trade, this was the move. And when was it identified? Around 11 o'clock. So around 11 o'clock on 2nd of January. So let's suppose from 86 rupees until 79 rupees. Right, this is 80 rupees stock, and it has fallen up to 7 rupees, approximately close to 8 to 10%. Right, this has been the fall. Once again, same thing happened. Came in the scanner, went up a little, then fell down, then moved up, and then boom. Right. So this has been the fall in IDFC First Bank. There's another trade which I would like to talk about. ICICI Bank is a fresh trade. Why fresh trade? Because if you will put ICICI Bank, it is only the first time. ICICI Bank, this is the first time, you will not find it, and this is the today's trade. So let's see what happens in the days to come in ICICI Bank, how it's gonna perform. But this is a fresh trade. Now another trade, if you talk about PVR Inox, let's find out PVR. What happened to PVR? So let me the way I am pulling out the trades and going to the charts and check, the same way you have to do in order to find out the accuracy and performance of the scanner. So PVR Inox was found out by the scanner on 26th of December. 26th of December, that was the first time. And then PVR Inox came on 27th of December, and then 5th of January. So multiple times from 26th of December, that was the first day. 26th of December. Where is December? Okay, this is BSC's chart. PVR Inox. We have to put PVR Inox. 26th of December. Alright, so this is PVR Inox chart on daily time frame, 26th of December. This was the candle when the stock was identified, 26th of December. Until this is the fall. Constant fall in this particular counter after being identified, right? So I am pretty sure that this would have come on this particular candle. Reason being, we don't have alerts prior to that. So I put these alerts on 26th of December. That might be the reason. But I am pretty sure this might have been identified because this is again a big bar. This is again a big candle. So after that, a constant fall. Right? It tried to move up a little, but it came down. So another trade I would like to bring into your notice was Delta Corp. So we have been checking all those trades. Delta Corp. Let's check Delta Corp. Delta Corp was identified first time on 18th of January, just a few days ago. So let's check Delta Corp. Delta Corp on 18th of January. 18th of January, where is 18th of January? This is 18th of January. This is. However, this made a little wick at the bottom, but still it has been a constant fall. So from 140 levels until 135 level, approximately 5 rupees, and looks like it is ready to further break this level. If it stays above the level, it is not useful to trade, right? However, this should touch another 122 level if the market falls, because the structure is damaged for this particular counter. But I'm not recommending to buy or sell any equities. That's up to you, that's your call. Now if we talk about MFSL from the bottom, so MFSL again this counter because it is dipping down, right? And then boom, this was the move which we have captured, right? And then on 18th of January it was identified again. This was 18th of January. This was the result day, I guess. However, another stock I would like to bring into your notice is Coromandel. Coromandel was identified on 8th of January the first time. Coromandel. 8th of January. From this is the 8th of January's day. This was the big bar where it was identified, and then what was the time? Let's identify around 1 o'clock. So maybe in the midway. So might be somewhere around 1200. So let's suppose let's take it as 1200, right at the bottom. So even though it was identified at bottom around 1200 rupees, and it has given us 1118 rupees, approximately 80 rupees down, approximately 8% from the level. You can guess, right? And then again, PVR we have already talked about. So there are many stocks which you can try and find out. So you need to take a pause on the video and then take a pen and a paper handy. These are the trades. Few of them have moved, few of them are yet to perform. Right, let's check. Ambuja Cement was identified today. Ambuja Cement came in the scanner previously as well, if I remember. Ambuja Cement. Ambuja Cement, yes, I remember. On 15th of January, Ambuja Cement. Ambuja Cement is there. No, it has been vanished. But Ambuja Cement alert is there. For Ambuja Cement today, if you check, Ambuja Cement around 1149. So Ambuja Cement, Ambuja Cement, the first time it was identified on 15th of January. So let's check on 15th of January. 15th of January, approximately a little profit, but profit is there from 532 rupees until 510 rupees. So approximately 20 rupees profit, like 4%, approximately 4%. But this was a straight fall from this level until this level, this level until this level. Again it moved up, but it could not cross this level, and again there was a selling, and then again it is trying to dip down. And further, if it stays above the level of 500 rupees, there going to be a further fall until 470 or 475 rupees. That's what it looks like. So guys, this is it from my end. You can take a pause, and I have been telling you to check the trades by yourself in order to gauge the performance. And right, someday there are many trades because market is very choppy, very volatile. If it is going down, and then it is down and down and down and down, right? If it is moving up, then it is up and up and up, and that's what the reason is you are getting many trades in one side scanner. But someday there are very less trades when the market is approximately, not that much trending. But see, so making strategies in our hand, and this is the setup which we have been talking about. So there are so many clients of mine, those who want less trades, so I can modify the scanner and then you will get the less trades. That is up to my hand, right? That is up to me. If you want to get less trades, I can modify the scanner in such a way wherein you will get less trades, very less trades, so that you can trade easily. And if you want more trades, the result is in front of you. However, even if the trades are more, but trades are moving, so trades are performing. So that is it from my end. So today is only 23 minutes of video. You can watch it easily. It's not going to be hard for you to watch. But stay tuned, stay connected, keep watching, keep earning. Happy trading sessions ahead, and take care.